Maintain control on the cause that's dealt. Walk around with a wall of stealth, part of self. Knowledge based, infinite, the art excels. Armored shells, cast iron out of darkened belt. Friend or foe, skin them both if they talk and tell. On this microphone, reciting poems sharp as hell. The market fell, gave way for some frost to sell. The lion stories trying to bore me with them starving tales. I put the pen to paper, dropping off some gems to save us. Expensive flavors, priceless when they tend to change up. I'm out the door when the rent is raised up plenty acres. Men and saviors, riding with a clique of raiders. Sinful neighbors throwing stones, living in a glass house. I shatter their existence, grenades flash out with one stack round. Lay them class clowns back down, saggers on top, that's a fact now.
It was all a dream. 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 I can't believe that it's true.
You see us scheming, you see us plotting. We bout to leave you bleeding, we bout to get it poppin'. This team's succeeding, your dream is stopping. We out as kings proceeding, a sound with better options. Hey. It's noble to the casket close, golden with the classic flow, strolling with an axe to throw. Show your soldiers the moments when I clash with foes, cold as omen, closing on your vultures with a crash and flow. Assassin mode attacking broke the barriers that kept us back. Savage carriers in areas with letters packed. I talk vicious, ill supreme, auspicious killer's theme. Walk with us, all spitters, more victims still unseen. War systems built regime. These rappers popping up with form gimmicks, spills for cream. I'm rolling 4, 5, 6 in the roots of evil, playing Giacomo story in the booth. I'm lethal, what? With a half a clip of riches, royalty, respect, return to the dawn. Your squad missing loyalty and steps on the road to riches. Wanted dead or alive, live and let die, showing vicious. My clique of respect. Once upon a crime, created havoc, technical structures, son of G-Rap, amazing masters. Kill tracks with the grunge. You thought your team was this nice, I feel bad for you, son.
It was all a dream. 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 I can't believe that it's real.